God. Oh my God. I love it so much. And I want your friend know, you see that bag here? Put your ear passy. You hear me? Yeah. And my roller, I'm a roller, I'm a spray roller, I'm a D. Give me for me alone. Yeah. I wonder if you give me, I want more things in her bag. You never look at more things in her bag. You know? More things in her bag too rotted. More things in her bag? More things in it. Hold on it. So much stuffy bag stuff. Rascal. Rotted the bag stuff. A stuffy stuff. Oh shoot. I'm a purse. Somebody did first last night. I'm a purse thing with the rotted one. When you no come now, we are left it. Look here, if you make the man come up here, you know. I made the man give me food and something and lobster and catch lobster. And he go find out, say, I don't want him, I name have to lobster them. Come, we have to leave a property. Watch it. Hey, my boy, make up. The thing that's rolling on car, left all of them blood clot, you know. Hello. When you have me whole lobster, them and something where man give me. Come when I left a property. Remember, say me chat, look here. I'm tell you what go on. Yeah, my friend. Last night I did first, and next me just look at my mouth and me chat out everything. And next me say me no want the man. No, the man figure say me no want him. And when you have whole lobster, them and something them. Jesus. So me I say, if you can pack your bag, girl, come. If anything, leave Chanel, make Chanel take you all I blame for this. Come now, pack your bag.
My bag them pack already.
Your bag packed? Yeah. Eh? We are left. Pack up and sit them and dash everything. Mute your backside, me have more evidence than nobody no do me nothing. Hurry up, evidence more. TikTok evidence. What? Then you say them picking me I drive out. Me I go drive out, I wanna meet me halfway somewhere because nobody now. No, because nobody now pack. Me not see nobody a pack on a year.
Remember say I don't pull my stuff.
Look here, me say, I'm gonna start pack up. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm going in the next room. My body, I move like tourists. Me blood clot. No jagger, this asleep. Jagger.
You're planning for going?
Jagger.
You're planning for going?
Jagger.
You think in the area?
Eh? Me love your man, Chanel. Yeah, your man go and lie down and rest. Yeah. No one can stay a little bit. Ladies say you can stay a little bit extra. Yeah, your man go and relax. Okay, you are left in this house. Alex, where back? Get your bag. I walk like tourists, so. Rascal, hey, you're frightening me now. You do that then.
From where I came now.
Move from that, so you're first out like I'm in an office. Yeah, it's okay, all frosty. I'm LD, you know. It was like, come on in. Boy.
Enjoy yourself?
I'm full time. LD, you know, I feel like a property, you know. Everybody have to get ready. Everybody did nice last night. All you, this man in park out last night in them car, well asleep.
They free me up.
Oh,
no.
When maybe that time we do that evening, you know, them are going to tell me if you come for you with big old pit bull out alone. But say me now go out there. I call on your phone for your answer, you know, answer you. Hey, you mash up. Hey,
you come up, you crack back your seat. Ask and light up my wheel.
No, but I didn't know you first because I told you first not even talk, you could have talk good. When I tell me I talk, what you know? I say, you know, so this blood clot, you're gone. You're gone, man.
I'm free.
LD, no, you know, listen to me, your friend, right?
Sorry.
I kind of drunk last night and my mouth kind of get liquor and I talk. I say, I don't want him and everything come out, everything like, I don't know what go down. So I say, if we can hurry up and pack my bag before then come ready. We leave the property quick. You know, that's what we are cut. And I eat whole heap of lobster, and I whole heap of lobster we eat and thing, and I like give thanks and big up him, but the relationship now go on. So right now the dog most hungry, cross, miserable. So I go left a place, pack on a bag. Blood clot, so LD now one bag you have.
I'm ready.
Blood clot, LD now have to go back to Ross one. Guys, LD not ready long, right? No, oh Jesus, we shame. We shame.
Yes, Dad.
Come, LD not ready. Come, because you're going to carry their eyes. LD now come, my eye in the car. You ready? You ready? Why can't you catch up your hair?
It's her, buddy.
No, listen to me. No hair now to catch up. You're beautiful. You're black and you're beautiful. Your hair can drive in the car like that. You have your own car going back home. Don't catch up no hair. Don't catch up no hair. Come catch up no hair. Come. Come on, man. Put some pep in your step now. Put some pep in your step.
What's your no? What?
No. Yesterday, don't I watch you at TV cement them. Don't I watch you spot with them. I build a house. Me yesterday TV cement. And we have to make it sound good on them.